Are you struggling in PTE and not sure which templates are working? Don't worry, because we have just done an experiment with PTE exam and we got 90 out of 90 in all the modules. Do you want to know how we did it? Stay tuned till the very end of the part, because we're going to discuss experience, new changes, new structure, new templates, and what you should expect if you're going to give PTE exam in the upcoming months. This is really important tutorial for all the PTE aspirants who wants to give the exam in the upcoming weeks. So guys, we will be discussing the new changes, but along with that, we will be discussing the materials which are coming nowadays, and we will be discussing about the strategies such as one-line strategy. Did that work? And on top of that, are the new questions coming more difficult? Are they coming more grammar based when it comes to reading? Everything will be covered, so stay tuned till the very end. But if you're new to our channel and you have not subscribed, make sure that you do that, because we are going to come up with lot of updated content for PTE students, for PTE aspirants, especially the new material. So if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do it now. Before we move on, if you have any questions like these ones, you can put it in the comment section, and I personally try to reply every single comment. So don't feel shy. You can put your doubt in the comment section and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. So we did an experiment, Arshia ma'am, right, with PT, and we got 90 each. How difficult was it?
Yes, sir. It was mildly difficult, like the level, I see it every single day. So it was nothing surprising that, oh, this is new. It's just something that we've been doing over and over again. So it was pretty easy.
And we did experiments for the writing as well. And on top of that, we did also for listening module, correct? Mm-hmm. So did you feel that the new experiments, new changes, which we have already updated on the portal, do you think they're working?
Absolutely, sir. There's no chance that none of them are not working. Of course, when a new student comes, they feel a little hesitant that in read alouds, let's say, it's a huge passage. How can we just speak 12 words? But in the exam, I spoke exactly 12 words. I did not speak one word more than that. And although after the exam, I was a bit hesitant, am I going to get marks or not? Because this is the first time me giving exam in Australia. But surprisingly, which is not so surprising at all, I got 90.
Correct.
So all the strategies are working, especially for the speaking section.
Amazing. Now, this is really important that we did this experiment just to ensure that all the strategies are working. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But on top of that, the new changes which we have brought down for writing specifically, right? They are working as well, correct?
Yes, we have this shortcut template that we are using nowadays. Initially, we thought that it might just work for 6 and 7, but it's also working for 8 and those who want 9.
Correct.
And the changes that we included, that to write our own keywords in second and third paragraph of the essay, that is also working. All the keywords that we have already made a PDF of in our portal, all of them, I wrote the exact same.
Correct.
And even the question was repeated from our portal.
Right. And you've been teaching at VLE for quite a number of years now, right? So what's your experience when you gave the exam over here? Did you feel the portal which we're giving over here to the students, does that cover enough content?
So I feel if any student has completed every single task from the portal, in fact, let's say just 60-70% even, it's like a syllabus covered. Everything comes from the portal, if not exact, then similar. There was nothing that was new which I experienced. Of course, some questions which I had not seen or done before, but none of the vocabulary was new. Everything was repeated. From read alouds till the end of the exam, right from dictations as well. No word was beyond like extra hard or advanced. All of them everything was common.
Correct. And I think that gives you that sense of confidence, isn't it?
It does. It's like we have a head start.
Correct.
The portal is like a head start. We have something of the exam already.
Right. And on top of that, we were also discussing about the dictations, because a lot of students still feel that if they add on new extra words, they are going to get negative marking. So did you added extra words?
I did. Yes, sir. I added extra words, 2-3, even though I was sure of the words, still just in case I added 2-3 words extra. Still I got 90.
Yes. So that really eases up the things for the students, isn't it?
It does, actually. A lot of students say that it was really difficult and hard. It's understandable, but maybe because they've not completed the portal or practiced enough.
Correct. And on top of that, what do you have to say about the strategies, the templates specifically for the summaries and for the essay? A lot of students feel sometimes when they come to us the very first time that they're not getting the full marks, right? They're not able to get 19 writing. So did you feel that the new templates which we have brought down, the new changes which we have experimented through this exam, did you feel that those changes are going to help students moving onwards?
So templates are all working fine, but it's not just about the template. The section also includes your vocabulary, spelling, grammar, and I think that's the major reason why they are losing marks. It's not because of the template. I use the template of summarized written text that we did. I use the template of summarized spoken text, but I didn't face any issue. It's just the proofreading at the end, because when I was proofreading at the end of each of the tasks, I had some spelling errors there.
Right.
So you probably just missed that, and that's why you lose marks, because it's just of 7 or 10 marks.
Correct.
So if you've made 2-3 mistakes, the percentage drops.
Correct. And then these are the mistakes which students actually end up making. And then after you combine them, then you have like 10, 12 spelling mistakes, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And on top of that, I also feel the new template, which is for writing, right? Which is really short. It saves up your time. You don't have to write a lengthier one. And this is the universal template.
Yeah, I did not write like 65, 70 words. I ended one of my summaries in 55.
For index.
Yeah, like the whole summary I ended in like 4-5 minutes, and after that I had plenty of time to proofread.
And for essay also, as we were discussing, that the new templates really saves up your time.
Yeah, if you're typing in a moderate speed, your essay should be done maximum by like 13 minutes, maximum.
Right.
That's how short the essay is.
Right.
After that, you have plenty of time to fill in the keywords and also proofread.
And on top of that, I also feel that this essay is a universal essay because it actually is for all the essay types.
Yes.
Guys. Even if you get problem solution, you get effect cause, or you just get a solution oriented, or even agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, right? So your students don't have to learn multiple versions. And that really helps them to work on the other modules, right, where they're lacking, so they don't have to spend too much time on writing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely so.
And what you also have to say, Arsha, about the overall exam structure. What are the major 3 things which you figure out students should keep in mind when they're performing the exam?
One, they have to be very mindful of what they are speaking, what they're typing. A lot of students say that, ma'am, in the exam, we don't have enough time to think. But if you don't think in the exam, where will you think? So you have to be very calm. Second, if you're too much focused on what other people are saying, because a lot of people told me that the centers are crowded and all, but I didn't feel that. Because once you're focusing on your own exam, you don't listen to what other people are saying. Another thing I feel is that it's very important that you stay calm, because a lot of my repeat sentences were long. Right from dictations were also long. So when I was not like, there was this one question when it didn't end in 3-4 seconds, it went on. But you have to be present in the moment. You understand the line, you follow your strategy. So I wrote half of it in the beginning and the last part, and then I followed the hybrid strategy basically for repeat sentences, and that helped me. But focus is very important. If you don't have that, you lose 2-3 marks from everywhere, and that's why the percentage drops that much.
I think I totally agree. I couldn't agree any further on this, because as you said, the very first thing is you have to think whenever you're performing the strategies. Implementation is really important, right?
It's really important, because even if you're following the strategy, but it's not in the correct format, it's not in the correct manner, you are thinking like 1-2 words you substitute, that's all right. That's not how you sit in the exam, because 70% of the exam we've already made easier because of the strategies. If those things we're not following fine, then a lot of marks you lose. And that's why your performance drops.
And the second thing which you said, I think that is really important. Students should really pay attention to this. That is, you have to be very focused. right? You have to concentrate, right? And then you have to have that awareness, assertiveness, isn't it? So even if sometimes things doesn't work as you've planned for one or two tasks, but if you're calm enough, right, and if you're totally focused, you can still get your desired back.
Yeah, I'll tell you, I did make mistakes.
Right.
I made it in a written lecture. I fumbled a little right at the end.
Correct.
Okay, and then I was confused in 2-3 questions in reading. I'm like, this is gonna mess up. I'm gonna mess it up now.
Right.
But according to our strategies, I eliminated the words, and then I just took a decision in like 5 seconds because I couldn't spend a lot of time there.
Correct.
I think did the exam too fast that I came out in 1 hour. But yeah, I finished the exam. I thought that it should be like 9:45 now, but it was like a whole hour.
Yes.
I was ahead of time.
And that's really basically that's what the strategies do for you.
That's what the strategies do actually. When you do a lot of mock tests, you're just so sure of yourself.
Correct.
Plus, in reading, I had seen some of the questions because I only practice when the students do.
Right.
So I had seen some of the questions, so I didn't even have to think.
Right.
And most of them, I feel, either had the same structure as the questions we have in the portal, and one or two of them were the exact same. So even if you're getting one question which is repeated, that helps you a lot.
Exactly.
I had one summarized written text repeated, I had essay repeated, and I had some of the repeat sentences also repeated. And in write from dictation, although questions were not repeated, but all the words were common, which you
Right.
already practiced in the portal.
So that really helps you a lot, I guess.
Yeah.
And now, I think that really sums up the experiment we did for writing essay. Definitely worked. We got perfect 90. On top of that, read aloud 12 word strategy works like a charm.
Yeah.
Right. We also added extra words in the dictations. Right.
Yeah.
And I think that makes dictations really easy. Isn't it?
It does.
And on top of that, I just really want to advise to the students watching that, guys, it's not just about a template, it's about the implementation, right? And on top of that, I have pasted all the links to the strategies tutorials which Arshia ma'am over here has used. So you don't have to worry about anything. Just watch those tutorials, follow the techniques, and you guys will be able to implement those strategies again. So I wish you all the best, but don't forget to follow us for the new updated experiment details, because we're going to post the templates, we're going to post the strategies, implementations. So if you're new to channel, you have not subscribed, make sure that you do it and stay tuned for new updated template structures for all the students. Thank you, Arshia ma'am, for your valuable time. Thank you guys for watching. All the best for your future endeavors.